Hello, I'm Tom Petty, president of the Bay Area Search Engine Academy. If you are on Twitter, follow us, Bay Area SEA. You'll find all kinds of free information about search engine optimization and internet marketing. And today we're going to talk about something a little different. I get the question a lot on how do you get your website indexed. In the last video blog we talked about the sitemap XML file that you can create that'll get you indexed more quickly, but how do you get Google and Yahoo to find out about your website and get you indexed in the first place? A real common question that I get is, should I go ahead and submit my URL to Google or to Yahoo? They both have a little place on their website that you can go in and submit a URL. So some people do this many times. When should you actually do that? The simple answer is never. Don't ever use the submit a URL link. It's where spammers go, and if you want to look like a spammer to Google or Yahoo, then go ahead and do that. But for most of us who have businesses or clients who want to get listed on the search engines, don't submit a URL. It's the wrong place to go to get your site indexed by Google. So instead, what we want to do is something called site validation. So we want to validate our site with Google and with Yahoo, and it's actually a simple process. So with Google, you want to go into their Webmasters tools, go to google.com/webmasters, create an account if you haven't already done so, because we talked about the sitemap XML file yesterday, and you want to validate your site. So basically what you're going to do is create a little file. It can be a 0-character file, nothing in it, just an empty file, text file, and you're going to give it a name that Google tells you. It's a long name, and copy that up to your website. Once you've done that, then you tell Google that the file is out there, click validate, and Google will verify that the file is there, and that tells Google that you have a legitimate site. Go ahead and trust me, and go ahead and start indexing my site. So typically it takes about 2 to 3 weeks before they actually start showing up in the search engines, but that's the proper way to do it with Google. With Yahoo, it's exactly the same process. Go to their Site Explorer site, siteexplorer.search.yahoo.com, and it's exactly the same process. Yahoo actually makes it a little easier because they have a single button that you can click and download the actual file that they want, and it's not a 0-byte file, it's not an empty file, but they make it a little easier for you. So all you have to do is click the button, download the file, stick it on your website in the home directory, and then validate your site with Yahoo. So hopefully that's been helpful. Remember, don't ever use the submit a URL link on Google or Yahoo. You just don't want to go there. Do it this way with the Google Webmasters tools or the Site Explorer on Yahoo, and that will get you indexed and get it done properly. I'm Tom Petty from the Bay Area Search Engine Academy. Hopefully this has been useful. And remember, flex your internet marketing muscle. And until next time, see you later.